How to delete Snapchat account. So if you want to delete a Snapchat account, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you've opened, now you need to go for the profile, which is on the upper left. Once you're here on the profile, you need to go for the upper right again, which has that settings option. Under settings, you need to scroll all the way down, and here you will have an option of I need help. Tap on I need help. Once you tap on it, here you will get this kind of interface where you just need to go for search and tap on delete my account. Once you tap on delete my account, you will have this kind of interface where you need to choose in which you are using. So if you're using on Android or web, you need to simply log into Snapchat accounts portal, and then you need to tap on delete my account, input your password, and continue. But if you're using on your iOS devices, then you can go with this kind of interface. So I'm using my Android, so I'll be choosing Snapchat accounts portal. Tap on that option and log into that Snapchat accounts portal. And here enter your username or your email address. Tap on next and enter your password. And once you enter your password, you will be logged into your Snapchat accounts portal, right? So now you need to tap on delete my account. Once you tap on delete my account, again you need to enter your username and your password, and then tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, your account will be deactivated, which means your friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat, and you'll also lose any chats that you have saved and any snaps and chats that you haven't opened. After 30 days, your account will be deleted. If you'd like to reactivate your account before that happens, you can simply go and log into your account. So to delete your Snapchat account, it will have a 30 days period. So don't log back into your account within those 30 days, and your account will be permanently deleted. So that's how you can delete. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.